Salam. Today, we will be studying Class 11 Statistics Chapter 1 1.5, according to PTB syllabus. Let's get started with an important difference between primary and secondary data. Now hear me out. Primary data is raw data, which has just been collected from the source or has not gone through any statistical treatments like sorting and tabulation. However, secondary data is the data which has been collected by someone or has gone through statistical treatments like sorting and tabulation. The following are the sources of primary data and secondary data. Let's go through primary data first. Primary data can be obtained through personal investigations at a small scale, through investigators, through questionnaires, which is quite efficient, through local sources, telephone, and also through the internet. Let's move on to the sources of secondary data, which includes government organizations and semi-government organizations like the Federal Bureau of Statistics and municipal committees. Through teaching and research organizations, journals and newspapers, and of course, the internet. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe.